It's a big Littleton ceiling fan. As you can tell, Littletons are a piece of junk. You know where the lamp? Here's a lamp right here. And there's a fan. The fan in the bedroom is actually set to low, and I was going to do that, but I got to fix it. It's because the chain's set to low, and it's not good for the fan. So here's the light. Here's low. It hums a lot. I'll show you what happens. The fan in the bedroom has a problem. It's right here. It's on a remote. It's set to low. I'm having it on high right now. It's a slow Hunter fan. Summer Breeze Plus. It needs a WD-40 or a new chain. There's the one in my room. It's off. Here's this one. Anyways, that's about low. No moving it. No moving a little bit of air. It's not a good fan. Here's medium. Blade should be steeping. Here's the light. Here's spin down. Hampton Bay Littletons are trash. The one in my bedroom has a bent blade. I'll show you. It's right here.
I was careful.
This is actually Jason's room, but this will be my bedroom. I need to find a way to fix the Summer Breeze Plus, seriously. Because that fan set to low, and it's not happening. The chain's stuck, too. Well, it's like how I ripped the chain out of the fan in the old playroom, which was a Hampton Bay Quick Connect. Back on my old channel. And the first chain was actually stuck on low. Wilhall spotted AF Animations Onyx in the lighting showroom, and he played with it, and he jumped up there, and the chain ripped out of that one. And it's stuck on low speed. This thing is taking a long spin down time. This thing probably does have super shallow blade pitch. Hampton Bay Littletons, they're the worst fans. You know what happened? Fan Freak is actually a former YouTube star, but has his former YouTube channel, but he had a Littleton. And what happened is he was running on high, the blade flew off. And that's not happening. I think the fan chain, I might need a pen to do it. So here is reverse. Might try to fix the Summer Breeze Plus. But I'm doing this fan for now. This thing vibrates, the ceiling. I'm gonna give it a push because I'm just impatient. I just want to fix the Summer Breeze so badly. It's not set properly. It's on a remote. Seriously, that needs to be set to high, not low. Here's medium. Here's high. It's seriously better to have the Littleton running on medium or low, because if it's running on high, the blade might end up flying off and injuring someone. These fans are also cheapo fans too. That is it. That's the Hampton Littleton ceiling fan. Thanks for watching.